Shooting ship sa barko na umuwi namin.
Pilipinas, Federico Martínez.
Heading 219, sir.
2.2 nautical miles, sir.
Guns now are controlled by the gyro system.
Distance.
When you put the fire control, so it's already adjusted. to
Distance.
460 yards, sir.
Ano
the operation is that's stable.
All engines entry, indicating 4 times arrival now, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III. Years and 1 month of faithful and honorable service to God, country, and people.
Advocating strategic doctrine development,
The Philippine Legion of Honor to our awardee by the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III, with Attorney Maria Hildelita P. Alano.
Gentlemen, let us all give a warm round of applause to our awardee, the Adjutant General, Brigadier General.
Flag at the masthead to designate the command of a flag officer is more than twice. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now witness the Philippine Navy change of command to be presided by the Commander-in-Chief, AFP.
Duties and responsibilities to the incoming flag officer in command.
Upon receiving the standard, the presiding officer hands it over to the incoming flag officer in command, signaling the start of his assumption of duties and the breaking of personal flags symbolizes the start of his duties and responsibilities as the new flag officer in command, Philippine Navy. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our flag officer in command, Philippine Navy, Rear Admiral Jesus C. Medal box embodies the rich military career of Vice Admiral Jose Luis M. Alano. It includes all his awards and decorations and his promotions from the rank of ensign to Vice Admiral.
Values. While maintaining open lines of communication.
Maraming salamat po. Maupo tayo lahat. Troop Commander, kindly give the order for tikas pahinga. Kayo ang isa sa pangapangunahing sanggalang ng bansa sa mga nagbabalak na pasukin ng ating teritoryo o sa masasamang loob na gustong magasik ng terorismo. Ng panahon, lalo pang lumalawak ang halaga ninyo sa sambayanan. Batid po natin, mayroon tayong mga hamon sa ating karagatan at kapuluan na dapat tugunan. Ang guidance counselor sa kanyang mga titulo. Kay Rear Admiral Milan, naway nanatiling nakatindig ang ating mga marino para gampanan ang kanilang trabaho. Sinasagad nila ang kakayahan sa ipinagkaloob sa kanilang kagamitan. Imbis na magdahilan at magreklamo, ang naging tugon pa ng ating mga kawal,
Kalupa!
Please be seated.